How to clear Wi-Fi router history. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, locate your router's IP address. Typically, you can find it on the back of your router. Common IP address include these kinds of numbers. Then, enter the router's IP address in your browser search bar. Then, sign into your router. The default username and password are on your router, usually sticker at the bottom of your router. Then click on Find the Admin panel in the settings to access your router logs. Look for sections labeled Logs, System Logs, or Security Logs. Then click on the Clear Logs button to delete your Wi-Fi history. And this is how to clear Wi-Fi router history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off until next time.